What's happening? What's melting?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making a hole in this little hole.
Repair hacks or what?
That
is it
is
ring?
cool. No, it's to bash it in so it doesn't move. So
Ah,
it's
it's
like
a
one of
little
those
twisty
spaces.
thingy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay.
There we go. Bish, bash, bosh, and it's
Reinforce
done.
your tools.
Nice.
Okay.
What?
Ah,
But
not
it's
too
nice.
bad.
Storage.
Okay. That's a live wire, guys.
No!
Get it? A live wire?
Yeah,
I wouldn't suggest
You're
you do
funny,
that.
Doug.
I feel funny.
You feel funny.
Whoa.
Okay, now we've got a corner.
No, it's a scraper tool.
Oh, but what's
That
the point
looks
of the corner?
satisfying.
That's nice.
That was
All right. Why would you? Oh, you can cut your little wires with your thing.
But you have a special place on the
Right.
We
wires.
do have a special place.
It's going so fast, guys. I can barely keep up.
Okay, we're melting this in a
Soldering
bottle cap.
thing. Okay, what's going on? Now they're melting something else. Going once,
Okay.
going twice. Sold!
Ah! Okay, now we got some thing to cut about wires over here, and now we're cutting a wire.
that
Excellent.
was
Now we're gonna
nice.
make it over here.
So, what are you gonna do
Wow.
now? Oh,
It's a
it was
magnet.
magnet.
There's
Should
metal
we
in
start-
there, and now we're over
It was
here.
smart. Okay, what we have
Oh,
here?
cool. Okay, you can
Nice.
extend your drill.
Yeah, and
There
we
we
tested
go.
this and it works well.
Excellent.
Very nice.
Works.
It works.
Very nice. Why
Not
is he
perfect,
drilling his
but
perfectly
very
new
nice.
tool? He's drilling it because now it has a spring
No,
in
there's a
it.
spring in here.
Whoa.
Thingy. It
Yes,
doesn't look
that was
perfect, but
actually
it's all
pretty
right.
Nice.
Okay, now we're attaching a knife to a freaking.
So you can use that as a jungle tool, like a machete.
Wow, that's kind of
No,
neat.
It's
Wow.
a little tool to melt your plastic.
Cutting through the jungle has never been easier.
Exactly. Is that a magnet? No, it's
It's a
not.
magnet. Just didn't use it to pick up its little bits and bobs.
It is a magnet.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Wow.
Boom. Done.
Lift, drop.
Good stuff.
That's perfect. Yeah,
Okay,
what did you
screw.
expect? Of
Use
course.
Use a spacer.
Use a
Or
key.
Use a key.
Use a key.
Yeah,
As
and
a spacer.
Say goodbye to your house keys.
Exactly. You
And
don't need
your
to get
house.
in.
if you wanna rip up your
Okay, what are we doing here? We're twisting it up. A little bit of
Uh-huh.
twisting work
It's
happening
done.
here. And it saves you some time.
For what?
Without.
I
That's a
have no
tiny
idea.
little screw.
drill bit is way too small.
No, get a pen.
Get a pen.
And put it in
now it's
there.
in the drill bit.
Now it's big
Now it's
enough.
Tight
Whoa.
and nice. All right, well,
Nice. That's actually kind of cool.
Best reaction day.
yes.
Very nice. Very
All right,
nice.
so we're
Very
cutting
good,
up
very
this
nice.
tube. We're gonna make a little tube connection.
It's a corner joint.
All right, it's corner joints.
What? There's two of them.
Ah, you ruined your tool.
To make a what? Circle?
Look
Circle?
at
Now it's a
that.
new
Now
tool.
you can make a spring.
That's kind of neat.
Spring? No
Yeah,
way.
You can make a spring if
can
you
make a
go
spring,
long
probably.
enough.
It will
And
not
that's how
be
you take your
spring.
pallets apart.
Ah, use a car jack.
Yes, with a drill.
That
It
seems
doesn't
excessive.
work. With that said, it works, but it's
hard.
no, it's not the best way.
Okay, we got the screwdriver. We got the. what is this happening here?
To
What?
twist your
Twist your wires.
Twist your uncle.
Twist your uncle.
No, don't do it.
Don't twist your uncle.
Don't do
All right.
it.
A tennis ball. 'Cause
For what?
For what? It's
that?
still.
Why?
Why play with it when you can put it on your sander?
Yeah, sorry, Jimmy. No catch today.
I'm using it to sand things.
Daddy, I wanted to play catch.
No.
No.
I'm in my
Jimmy.
workshop today.
I don't want to spend personal time with you. I want to build things.
Poor Jimmy.
Oh boy.
Oh gosh.
All right, so we got
So.
this. Oh, tube holder. Nice.
Okay.
Hole
Hole's
is too big. Hole is way too big. We're gonna have to fill that hole.
Now it's not too big anymore.
It's
He's putting one in the other.
Ah!
wow.
And it makes sense.
No, sure.
It looks
I'm
pretty
not-
unstable. Yeah.
Pretty thick.
But okay, maybe. It's,
Say goodbye to your
All right.
nails.
what is
What's
this?
the point? Now it's a pokey thingy.
Pokey thingy.
Yay.
Pocahontas.
Why?
For what?
What's the point? Get rid of your
So,
wife's clothes.
yeah.
She has way too many. Put them in the wall.
And now your nails will stick.
And what?
Boom. And that's how you do it.
It looks really unstable again.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a live wire again.
Oh, it's impossible.
Do stop motion with it.
Yes. Strong connection. Bolts. Spring. Nuts.
Nuts.
Bolt spring nuts. All right. Now you have your perfect little...
Now you make the same angle
Yeah.
there. You could have just measured the angle with something else.
No,
but
no,
that-
that's good. That was good.
That
Okay.
was good. I like it. Oh,
Okay,
that's
we're gonna
good,
use that
that's
to
it.
unscrew this thingy.
That's a big unscrew thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we got a ice cream cone.
Ooh, what?
Oh,
What?
that's
Wow.
sick.
That
That's
is kind of
sick.
cool.
Okay,
Good job. Wow.
Okay.
Surprise.
now we're going to drill in this
Yes, I've tried that before. It actually works.
It looks
Good
pretty good.
stuff. Oh, the chain. It's a chain.
You will never break the chain.
Exactly.
Oh, that's awesome.
That was cool.
That was
cool.
It was good.
That was like Ghost Rider.
It was like Ghost Rider, exactly.
So what? To
To
put
make sure
right
that
on
the
the
holes are
center.
perfect,
Yeah.
Nice.
Use the dowels. Dowels come in handy more than you think.
Ooh,
The dowels saved my life a couple times
I owe it all to the dowels.
in Nam.
Got dowel flashbacks.
All right. What is this? Oh,
this
okay.
Done.
Handle
Handy
the
little
little
tool, yeah. All right. What?
Wow, it looks
to
sharp.
drill holes.
That looks dangerous.
Nice.
Wow.
All right, we need to test that. That looks awesome.
Okay.
It's a back scratcher. Just kidding. Don't use it as a back scratcher.
It's a back scratcher for Superman.
Yeah.
Good.
All right.
Oh,
What?
again, circle.
I don't know. I don't
It's
know.
a smiley face.
No, it could
Maybe,
work,
maybe,
yeah.
because it's. I don't know. I don't know.
No one's perfect.
Just did
All
a
right,
stretch.
it's a rivet tool.
It's a little narcissistic to call your circle perfect.
Not a rivet tool. What is it called? Damn it! I forgot what that was called.
The tool?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We got this little sandpaper thing going around this
Yeah.
whole tube, the cylinder.
So, for sending.
Ah, it's a little
Here we
sand
go.
tool. I feel like there were easier ways of doing that, but all right.
Why not?
Let's get a sanding
Ooh.
machine.
Boom.
Oh, to make
Hang
it clear.
your paintbrush.
Who's gonna clean up the mess?
We got
Not
a
me.
Hey,
clothespin.
Billy, clean up the mess.
I just want to play catch.
No, I have
No!
a tennis ball.
I'm building things. Go get some friends, Billy.
Go play outside.
You're my friend, Dad. No, I'm not, Billy.
Hey, leave Billy alone.
Yeah.
All right, and that's how you store your stuffs.
Nice.
Boom.
Little
Bam.
wire storage,
Fish.
little saw storage, little circle storage.
Exactly.
How do you stabilize this drilling procedure?
There we go. Just like so.
Pretty good.
But how did you drill that hole in the first place?
Exactly. I'm missing context here.
Whoa!
That's interesting.
What?
That's
You can make a
good.
circle with not circles?
What?
Amazing.
Whoa!
Pretty sure I
Okay.
learned that in math class or something. What is that? Trigonometry? Geometry?
Trigger. What now, tree?
You triggered me, tree.
You triggered my tree.
Okay, we're nailing these little guys in there.
It's a knife sharpener.
It's a sharpener.
Sharpener.
I don't think it's the perfect angle though.
You know all about the angles.
It should be 15 to 30% angle for
There
maximum
we
sharpness.
go. Maximum sharpness.
What is this?
That looks like a fluffy.
Carpet?
Ah.
Oh, it's a mini
thing,
paint
yeah.
thingy.
That's cool.
PVC.
tube.
What's a PVC?
Look at this shot.
Plastic pipe.
Plastic
Yes.
Wow.
vectral cylinder.
Okay.
I'll quote you on that.
Okay. So we got this little cap here. We're putting it around our spinner.
That's a cap.
Is that a
What's cap?
That was a cap. You put a cap on the thing.
is that a Dremel tool?
It's a Dremel tool.
It's a
now
cover, yeah.
that's sweet. Nice.
There we go.
You have a little saw there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice. All right, what's that little?
It's
Oh,
cleaner.
wire cutter.
Nice.
Splitter.
Wow.
Pretty neat.
That's kind of cool. Oh, is your hole too big? Alas, don't worry. We'll
Don't
just
worry.
put a spring
put
in
a
there.
spring in it.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
It works.
That's cool.
It does work.
Drilling through aluminium or steel? Don't worry. Let's give you some magnets. 'cause-
Aluminum.
I believe it's gallium.
Yeah. I believe it's plutonium.
I believe it's not nucleonium.
Nucleonium. He just discovered a new element.
You heard it here, folks.
Call the Nobel.
Archie 5 discovered new elements since 2023.
Call the Nobel Prizes laureates.
That's why we have a dog here.
Yeah.
Which wasn't a part of it.
Okay.
Now you have a red plank of wood. Good for you.
No, it's not hardening.
Everything's falling apart with him.
Yeah. Magnet. Oh, now it holds in place.
Oh, boom.
All you need to get your life in
ratchet,
place is
ratchet.
magnets.
And that's how you glue.
Is your life
it
falling
together.
apart? Have you tried magnets?
Honey, I can't today. I'm seeing my magnet.
Oh my gosh. You're always seeing your magnet.
No, but
Should I be worried about your magnet?
it's the polarities. You don't understand.
Your magnet just so happened to be there on that business trip.
Oh.
Give us more.
More reaction.